back to the game between NU and USLS. And Al, tell us about the first set.
Well, it was a close start for both teams, but if you look at the numbers, you can see that the Lady Stingers really did well in terms of attack, scoring 14 as compared to only 8 of the Lady Bulldogs. They were parity in terms of blocking, 2 points each, pero dito sa services, you'll see that the Lady Stingers also scored 3 points, so 3 service aces for them. Now in the error department, there were 8 for USLS and 6 for NU. But, you know, if you break down the points that, you know, both these teams actually scored, dito sa USLS, Orandain had an impressive first set, scoring 8 points, Moralde with 3, Hingpit with 2. But for NU, I think that the key players would have to step up a bit more because Vivas, Tiangco, and Nepomuceno also scored 3 points each, which is very unlikely, actually.
Yes, that's not the usual numbers you would see from these star players. Wow, we've known them to be, lalo na si Vivas, no? We've known her to be a real scorer. And she's playing for FEU.
And Nepomuceno also in the other leagues that they play. And siya palagi ang top scorer nitong Lady Bulldogs.
Well, if it's fun, family pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Itong torn among the roses natin dito eh.
Papakainin tayo ng Shakey's mamaya. Si Barry Pasco.
Correct. Orindain, dug up by Jan Reyes. Off speed by Santiago. Another try for NU. Santiago on the push. Targeting the middle area of USLS. Saliba giving it to Nepomuceno.
Effective hit.
That's right.
And this is the thing with Nepomuceno. We've seen a lot of improvement really with her. Pero yung nakikita natin even in this game, still very inconsistent.
Yun eh, that's the word. Yung consistency na lang ang iniintay natin.
But the skill, you'll see that she jumps really high. In fact, ang gaan tignan tumalon eh.
Light-footed. So yan naman yung maturity kasi comes with, yung consistency comes with maturity as Quijano with that instant point. Look at this once again. Power tip. Gives USLS another point. Up by 3 now with the Lady Stingers. Delar to serve.
Oh, that is clearly going out, Mozzie.
Right, that goes wide for Delar.
And, you know, if the Lady Stingers would look back again at the first set, we've been mentioning it over and over again, ang daming service errors. These are free points automatically given away to NU.
Again, Quijano, even with the miss hit, takes that point. And tama ka, in this high-level game, hindi yung mga errors na yan, dapat hindi na masyadong nangyayari. And lalo na if it's yung gano'ng kadami, let's say 3 or 4 service errors.
Repetition.
No.
Yeah.
Diba? Jen Reyes. Oh, Tiangco just saving the ball. Back set. Aplaska, Orindain in a free ball, but that goes long. Point goes to the Lady Bulldogs. Nepomuceno goes to the line. And look at the front line of NU. It's going to be Vivas, Tiangco, and Sante in front. Formidable front line.
You can see Tiangco going for the set for Vivas.
Look at the power behind that attack by Vivas. See it once again. Evading the 2 blockers of USLS. Nepomuceno serving. Orindain. Aplaska. Tiangco giving it to Vivas. Moralde on the open hit. Free ball now given to USLS. Let's see how they do this one. And Quijano on the quick attack.
Net violation called on the Lady Bulldogs.
sayang yun, they were able to dig that ball.
But yan din minsan ano kapag ka nagmamadali lahat. These and these violations are committed. It's a wasted point.
Gihanit serve. Oh, nice sharp serve, but Jen Reyes easily taking that one. Aplaska, no go, violation, lifting violation on Kay Aplaska.
Remember, our officials are very keen on looking at these violations kapag nagtagal yung bola sa kamay mo.
Kailangan single motion. Tiangco, dug up by Orindain. Moralde. Vivas again on the attack. Bilar was there. Moralde off speed. Oh, pancake save by Tiangco.
Oh, a smart move by Aplaska.
That's right, giving it to Tiangco once again after a pancake save. Wala pa yung footing ni
Oo.
Tiangco.
Hindi na siya makagalaw.
Ito na naman yung bola, ano ba? It's back.
Quick thinking there by Aplaska.
Cookie Saliba not able to save that second ball as we go into our first technical timeout. It's 8-5 USLS. We'll be back.